Well, the baby has arrived, we've met him, and William and Kate are still working on a name though, but it seems there is no shortage of suggestions, from the more traditional to the more unusual.
God save the Queen!
Now that the town crier has cried and the announcement on the royal easel has eased the anxious wait, the next benchmark in the new future king's life will be the name he will carry. George is close to favourite and a popular royal name since George I ascended the throne in 1714. There have been 5 other Georges following, and the name also chimes as the dragon-slaying patron saint of England. James is popular on the totes, the name of Kate's brother, but the pundits believe it could end up a middle name as homage to his uncle. The Prince Harry effect trickles into the market, with Henry, Harry's actual name, tightening up. In 2011, Harry was the UK's most popular name. Philip is amongst the contenders, an acknowledgement of great-granddad, the Duke of Edinburgh. Both Charles and William have Philip as a middle name. Charles is in there, but getting long odds with the bookies. Prince William is close to his father and would want to honour him as such, but the first King Charles ended up being executed. The second Charles reigned over the plague and the Great Fire of London. From there, the odds for princely names blow out dramatically. Gary is unlikely, along with Prince Wayne. As Kevin, Barack, Tyler and Terry, Rafa, Elvis, with the most improbable suggestion being North at 5,000 to 1.
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish.
Sorry, Kanye, but when it comes to debate over baby names, the royal family are the best of all time. But once the future king is named, punters can flock to the next royal odds. The betting has already opened on which year William and Kate's second baby will be born, and 2015 is odds on. So there you go. 2015.
I don't think you really need me here.
Why is
I don't think you do. Don't you reckon, Georgie?
She's got it covered.
This sister's got it sorted.
Oh, well, it happens once every 30 years or so. Another royal
3 and a
heir
bit
is
hours
born.
of this to go as well today.
No, we've got lots of other news you'll be pleased to hear.